In this video, you'll see how to import data from your connected accounting system. Note that the customer list is currently empty. Go to Settings in the top right corner. Under Integrations, select Connect Accounting. View the available import options, which include tax codes, account codes, items, customers, and suppliers. Select the customers and suppliers you want to import, then click Start to begin the import process. The import runs in the background. Once completed, you'll receive an email confirming the data was successfully imported. Return to the Customers module to verify the imported data.